Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because the infuser was in this position. Now in order to get it down, we had to do an encoder reset. In order to do an encoder reset, you need to make sure the machine is completely off. Hold these two buttons right here, keep them hold, and then connect the machine to power. Once it does that, then this line will blink a couple of times, and as it blinks, you just have to let go of the machine and then turn it on, do a rinsing cycle and turn it back off, and you should be able to do an encoder reset. We have a video on our channel on how to do an encoder reset. You can also watch that too. So we're gonna be testing out this machine. Right now we're doing a rinsing cycle. As you can see, nice steady flow coming out through the spouts. We also had to replace the spouts. They were really cracked and they were not in good condition. We replaced that too. We replace the brew unit and lubricate the transmission, do the encoder reset, descale the machine, clean out around it, and yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. We're gonna be doing 2 ounces and kind of like a little bit of a medium setting. We're also on the 3rd setting of the grinder too. You can hear the machine now is doing pre-infusion, pushing water through the generator and then going to the brew unit and into the spouts. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out through the machine. Really good shot of espresso. Excellent flow. Perfect quantity. We had around 3 ounces, which is approximately 3 ounces as well. Now we're going to be testing the hot water of the machine. And there you go, you can see nice steady stream. This hot water is controlled by a 2-way valve. This 2-way valve we had to replace as it was not having a good flow coming out through the one. But now you can see it's a steady stream of hot water. Excellent temperature, working fine. And now let's test the steamer. It's going to take a bit for the machine to get up to temperature, and we're going to see a little bit of water pushing out through here, and that's because we just use the hot water. There's still a little bit of water residue inside the steamer one, but once the thermoblock gets up to temperature and the water pump starts pushing water through the system, we're going to see more steam coming out through the one, just like this. And as you can see, excellent steam coming out through the machine. Really powerful, working excellent. So there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.